Here we have a bit running inside Linux on QEMU. Just got a user space application here. We're going to start up 2 million handlers, very similar to what you call threads inside Windows or Linux. So here's the source code. There's the main entry it starts in. The first thing it does is grab the timer. Then it comes through and starts up all of the handlers. This code here also does is atomic increment a U64 value, which is up in here, our execution count. My software here is a little bit different than inside Linux and Windows. If a handler is terminated or it stops or is an unhandled exception, it can run special code, and this is the code that's going to run here. And all we do is increment another counter, which is our stop counter. If we've stopped all of the handlers that we've created, grab the time and tell us the time on the screen. How long it took to create the handlers, how much were executed, and how many stopped. Further down here, we're going to say how many handlers are available in the system. I've set up 2.3 million. How many were created, and the time taken to create the 2 million handlers. So I'll just run over that again. This bit of code here is where it creates the handlers. So it's just going to create all of the handlers here. And then this handler here will continue in execution. It'll come down here and print that out. All of these handlers will run. All 2 million will run this code, and all 2 million when they're finished will run this code. So we'll come over to here and we'll just start it up. It's going to compile all the code. And embedded inside the operating system, this is the root application. And here it is starting up now. Let's just start it up. I'm going to set up QEMU with 12 gigabytes, sorry. Right, log, and there it is. So there's 2.3 million handlers were available. We created 2 million, 0.1 of a second to create them, and half a second there to run through them all. We can have a look at our system here. So this is the memory. Here's our server limit. We've got 31 terabytes we can play with. We'll go down. Here's our root application. There's one. It needed 12 gigabytes of memory. There were no exceptions. Here's the runtime, etc. You can go down to the code size and the handler stack size. Yeah, and there we have it. Very fast.